Hey there, welcome to the first lecture of data visualization. Today, we're going to learn how to plot the values. But before we dive into the graphics, let's tweak our environment a bit so it fits plots better. The first thing you want to do is to add an option after the import. Let's say %sign and matplotlib space and inline. If you're wondering what is matplotlib, it's the library that pandas uses to generate the plot. This line of code tells matplotlib to show the plot immediately in our Jupyter notebook. That's all. Now we can start working on our plots. First, we're going to learn how to make a series plot. A series plot is most often used to show time series data. I believe the most classical one is the stock price. So here I downloaded 3 years of Apple's daily stock price from Yahoo Finance. And it's saved in a file named aapl.csv. aapl is the ticker symbol of Apple. With the method we learned in the previous lecture, I import the data into a variable named aapl and print the first few lines of aapl. aapl equals pd.readcsv aapl.csv. Then aapl.head. Now execute this and it's done. You can see from left to right we have the date, the open price, the daily high and low price, the close price, the trading volume, and finally the adjusted close price. This is a little bit off the topic, but just in case you wonder what's the difference between the adjusted close price and the close price itself? Well, it turns out sometimes companies distribute dividends, stock splits, and stock buybacks. All these operations affect the close price of a stock on that day. So if you only observe the daily close price, you will see some really weird price movements because one of the events happened and you don't know. The adjusted close price, however, has taken care of that event for you by adjusting the stock price accordingly. So it's almost always preferred to close price. But before we move on, you should notice that here our daily price is arranged from the most recent day all the way back. We want to plot it from the oldest to the newest, right? This one is easy to fix. Simply reverse the data frame. Do you remember how to do that? Yes. aapl equals aapl and colon and -1. This we are selecting by steps of -1. Run this and it's in the right way. Now, let's return to the topic. Let's plot adjusted close price. We only want to plot the adjusted close price column, so we select it first with aapl and adj close. Then simply .plot, because by default, pandas will give you a series plot. Execute this. I know, it's amazing. Just out of curiosity, let's see the plot of the close price. aapl.close.plot. Now run this. Aha! Do you see the amazing price change here? It's plunged so badly. But you know that's not real, because in our adjusted price plot, Apple's stock is rising on that period of time. Now, moving to the bar plot. You won't believe how easy it is to make a bar plot once you knew how to make a series plot. It's simply in the form of data frame dot plot dot and bar. However, What's more important here is for you to understand that in a bar plot, each observation is drawn as a bar. So if you do this on a large dataset with thousands of observations, expected it to take a long time. Yeah, I know, deep in your heart you want to try it. You know what? I'm going to do it for you. Yeah? I'm going to plot Apple stock price. There are 3 years of daily price observations, so a bit less than 1000 values here. Let's see what happens. AAPL ADG close dot plot dot bar and run. Now I'm running this on my desktop computer. I tell you, this baby is a beast. It's taking seconds to draw it, and the result is almost a waste. You cannot read anything from it. So my suggestion, never do a bar plot on more than 10 observations. So here I'm going to create a random array to demonstrate it. df equals pd dot dataframe np dot random dot randint, and the range will be 100, and put a comma here. Then size is an array of 5 by 2. And let's name the columns as male and female. So here is the number of male and female customers that purchased smartphone number 0, number 1, 2, 3, and number 4. df.head and run. Everything looks good. Now let's make a bar plot out of it. df.plot.bar run. There you go, nice and clear. As the legend suggests, the blue bar represents the number of male customers that purchased the phone, and the green bar represents the number of female customers. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next lecture.